Hey guys, so in this video we'll talk about the projects, and if you're like me and you visited bitbybit.dev for the first time and you see that I am in this incognito browser mode, I'm not logged in, so probably if you visited for the first time as well you will not be logged in too. You can open this projects page and you can navigate through many of the community projects that are available to you. Some of these projects are free, and some of these projects require you to be not only signed up, but also subscribed. So in order to open these free projects, you can just click on them and you can click the logo. This will open the script and the editor. You might be already familiar with those. You can click Run button. The scripts will execute, so you don't need an account for that. You can use BitByBit and many of its features and algorithms for free. You don't even need to have an account. So this is all fun. You can even go ahead and export your scripts like that into the file. You can also choose to import them. And sometimes that's enough, right? If you're a child, for example, and you cannot create the account on BitByBit, you can just use it BitByBit like that. You can always access it. But if you want to create projects and share projects with others, then you will need to create a new account. That means that you will have to sign up, right? So if you click sign up, you will have to go through these forms, accept our terms and conditions, and then only then you'll be able to create new projects and even publish them. So if you want to create projects that are visible for everyone, then you must create an account, right? You will have a free account first if you don't want to choose our silver or gold plans. This account will allow you to create projects that you can share with the community, and you will choose the public username. And you see here that this project was created by Matas. If you click on me, you'll go into this category of projects that all were made by me as well. So if you want to have this sort of portfolio page of BitByBit projects that you share with someone, for example, then you can create your own account. This is exactly what I will show you how to do. So you first have to go here. You have to agree to your terms and conditions, privacy policy, agree that you're an adult. We don't allow kids to use our services. And you have to choose your username. You can choose the email or sign up with Google or Facebook. Because you are subscribed, you can create new projects. And if you go to Spaces and click this My button, you will probably see here an empty list with just a button that allows you to create a new project. And I will create a new project. So we will call this project BitByBit for BabylonJS developers. So this is how this course is called, right? And the course that introduces the BitByBit dev platform to BabylonJS developers. Yeah, we can make that description better later, but now we will just create a new project. You see that this project has no icon yet. It is private. That means it's not visible to everyone. And it contains no scripts and no assets. In order to create a new script, we'll have to click this plus button and we'll add a script. We'll choose TypeScript as our editor and we'll click here a name that will be first contact. I'll submit this, and now if you open this, you'll see that we have an first contact script. It also has no representative image. You see the buttons that allow you to upload these images, and we'll do that later. But now what we can do is just open this script by clicking this launch button. So this project is empty. What I'm going to do is I will copy paste the code that we have created in the first lecture. And you see here the familiar things that we were discussing. And I will hit run. And this is what happens. It creates this geometry. I will probably just say that, instead of 1, 1, 2, one, I'll just make it flat like this, and I hit run again. So I will inspect it just a little bit to see whether it's all good. Seems okay. And maybe just for making a bit of nicer screenshots, I'll put the face opacity to 0.5. I'll hit run again. So what we will do now is we will go and click this edit my projects button, which will navigate us back to the list of our projects. What I want to do now is I want to upload a screenshot for the project itself. So I'll do that now. So for the project, I will choose this screenshot. This looks quite nice. We can, of course, center it a little to just make this geometry look larger. And maybe, yeah, that's pretty good, I think. It represents the project. We upload the picture. The other thing that we will do is just upload a script image. And I have it prepared as well. So this is looking quite nice. We can just enlarge the code maybe, so this is a picture showing the script itself and nothing else. So we can click accept and we upload those images, and now your project is ready to be published, right? So how do we do that? Well, you do it by going here on top, clicking this edit button, and here you can go ahead and set it as public. So we submit it. Now it's see that this project is visible to everyone. What does that mean? Okay, so if you're someone that is not logged in, right, now you can view that project as well. So this means that it is visible to everyone, even people that never have made an account. So this is quite important. You see that you can now open this project. You can navigate to the script. You can click the picture even, and that will open the code. And furthermore, if you don't have an account, you can still run it, right? So this way, other people, not necessarily having accounts of Bitbybit, can view your projects, and they can even change the code here. The only thing that will not happen is that that code that they create, so let's say they change something, they make this face opacity 1 again, they run it, they will not change your original code. They can export that file if they want to, but they cannot edit it, and no one will overwrite your own projects. So this is quite nice. What other people can also do, they can go into the project and click this direct preview button. This will open the project directly, and you see that now it has no UI, it has no Bitbybit logo, nothing. You can even embed this view into your own website because it is sort of empty from all the noise of Bitbybit UI. So you can navigate here and you can do many things if you want to, but basically this is the way you can share your projects with the community. And having an account, even the free one, allows you to do that. You can create unlimited number of public projects. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it's informative and you have learned something new here. Cheers, guys.